with y'all. Y'all see we're in the garage. We tuned in for another video. I know you can tell by the thumbnail. I've been wanting to do this. Like I said I was going to do it in the past anyway. A real detailed video to show y'all every single piece of the Huron Speed turbo kit. I want to do this before I do the install because obviously if I'm doing this video now, the install is coming real soon. Transmission today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, so you're watching this on Wednesday. And the transmission will be back in the car next Thursday. Cause I'm about to go on vacation, so I ain't gonna be fooling with it. But my converter parts are in. My converter guy sent me the pictures, and man, cool. I can't wait for real to show y'all, man. He gonna wait to assemble it cause I want to film that for y'all. So next week when I get back, I'm gonna be going straight to the shop and announcing who I'm partnering up with as far as converters, and I'm gonna be showing y'all the assembly of how torque converters assembled, how they work and everything. I know nobody ever shown that because people always trying to be secretive. That's why it's good for me to show info. So I'm about to show that. But then after that, I'm gonna be putting the transmission back in the car, and see after that, everything else coming, it's gonna start rolling fast. I'm gonna be switching the turbo kit over and installing the Huron Speed turbo kit. And I'm not trying to extend that video and show y'all piece by piece before we put it on. So I rather do it like this. Cause last time I just took a few pieces out. I'm about to take everything out. So I'm gonna show that to y'all. I want y'all to see the construction. I think some of y'all actually hit up John or whatever. I don't know if any of y'all done moved forward or got your own turbo kit yet, but make sure you do that or get you a turbo from them. The Huron Speed turbo, like I said, I'm going to be switching over from this. I got a VS Racing on there. I'm gonna be switching over to the Huron Speed turbo. So get your turbo, man. If they don't make a kit for your car, you know he's still producing kits for more vehicles. So if he don't make a kit for your car, get you a turbo, man. Get some, you know, wastegate. They make an awesome wastegate and all that. So, that's the only thing I'm not gonna be showing cause it's upstairs. I showed y'all the wastegate, but let me get these parts laid out, and y'all gonna see every piece. So let's get it. All right, so this the cold side so far. I got the cold side out. I was gonna take it out the plastic. I don't want to take the cold side out on the plastic, and lay it on the concrete. I don't want to get scratched up cause this is the side that people mainly see, you know, when you pop the hood. And I want to lay it out though so y'all can see the bends. Like everything is literally pre-bent, you know, all the tubes. And I can slide this out though, let y'all see the finish. Hold on. Let me see. Let y'all see the finish. It's a very nice finish on it. It's the inside. See it. Real lightweight aluminum. This the cold side. So these the bends. If you got an F body, like I said, got everything already set up for you. All your brackets. I think this for your radiator, if I remember right. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. But this your hardware, your V-bands. I don't think I showed this all last time. It comes with all your V-bands. It's your V-bands. You got a cone filter for your turbo. You got your lines. You got turbo wrap. I can't remember how many feet of turbo wrap and stuff. I mean, wrap you got. You got your cover for your hot side of the turbo. You got couplers. Like, I mean, it really does. This kit come with everything you need when you get it. Like, you shouldn't have to go buy nothing else. I'm serious. Unless you gotta modify something, which second to none, you really don't have to. But this the cold side right here. I won't show y'all, but the hot side, mainly what a lot of people like to see, cause that's your wheels and all of that. The hot side is the side most turbo guys like to see. So the hot side gonna be the stuff I actually take out. So that's the cold side. That's everything out the box. That's literally everything outside the box, unless I overlook something small. But that's it. So now let's take the hot side out. I'm gonna get it all out and laid out neatly so y'all can see it. Then we're gonna go over all the construction of it. All right. So I got the hot side out. And man, I love it. man, when I first got the kit, the construction blew me away, but just taking all the parts out and really looking at them, second to none. I'm telling you, seriously, second to none. Look at the headers. These the headers. You got the nice Huron Speed badge right there. This is the driver side header, and this the passenger side right here. And look at the wheels, man. I gotta talk about the wheels. Here go the flanges. Hold on, my bad. I'm on the phone today, y'all. The flanges. Show y'all the flange construction. This is some top-notch work, like seriously. Trust me, you ain't worried about blowing these loose right here. The wheels, I mean, good on the eyes. You know, some people have that bubblegum wheel. There's not none of that. V-bands, all your hardware. Like I said, this all your hardware, everything you need. I'm talking about this stuff, and it's quality too. Like, I know you can't feel it, but all I can do is tell y'all, like, it's quality, man. Like, and this is a 3-inch kit, so this all 3-inch tube. You know, you got the spot for your O2s and all of that in the tube and stuff already. I think this is the fender exit, if I remember right. Yep, I think this is the fender exit, 3-inch, so it's still gonna exit out in the same spot. You know, depending on how you want your exhaust to exit, you may have to modify. It just depends on you though. That's like a preference thing, but you know, they make it without the fender exit too, like different kits. Pretty much, and if you got an F body, they make it. Cause somebody was asking about a Fox body. He actually designing a kit for a Fox body. It's about to go into production soon, so you know, keep that in mind. You want to stay up to date with it. And I'm pretty sure more kits coming. Like I said, everything, you got your spots for your O2s and all of that. This your hot side. And I really want y'all to look at the wheels on every piece. I meant to show y'all the wheels on the other piece. Every single piece. The wheel work is, there it is from the inside. It's just top notch. It's just top notch stuff, and this way your turbo bolt too. Your turbo flange. Like I said, man, look at that. All of it in there. It's just a great constructed kit. Like, seriously, it really is. 3-inch. The kit is just constructed like just immaculate. So then it's a badge. Hold on, I keep losing it. It's a, man, I took this out and I was like, man, it look good. It's a Huron Speed. Y'all probably looking at it and I'm missing it, man. All right, now this funny, seriously. All right, oh, there you go. Huron Speed, got the Huron Speed badge on it right there, man. Real nice. It's just a top-notch kit, man. It really is. Like, that's why I want to talk about it, cause when something good, I want to talk about it. So it's a top-notch kit, man. This stuff, just look at the construction, man. When, like I said, when something good, I'm gonna stand behind it. I'm not gonna just throw anything out there to y'all, cause I wouldn't want to waste my money on anything. This is a top-notch kit. I cannot wait to get it on there, cause to show the actual performance. You know, you see the construction, but you know, we all buy these parts for performance. And man, look at it. I showed y'all this one, but it just looks so good. It really do. It just look good, man. Nice size tubes, primaries. But it really is. I can't wait to show y'all the performance, cause I'm going on the dyno. As soon as I get this kit on, it's not gonna take long. Okay, install time on this kit. If you have a lift, I'm talking about, it probably takes no time if you have a lift. If you don't have a lift, it still can be done in a day. You can get this on your car in one single day. Literally, a day job. This is a day job. You can go out and come back and be turbo. Boom, just like that with this kit. If you have a F body, or if you have you know, one of the one that the cars or applications they make the kits for. One single day. If they don't make the kit for your car, they sell awesome turbos, they sell billet wheels, they 88s, 76s, whatever you need. I'm about to switch over because, like I said, I want y'all to see the performance with a pure Huron Speed kit, not a Huron Speed kit with a VS Racing turbo, because turbos matter. Some turbos outperform others. They do matter. I want to show y'all a complete Huron Speed powered kit car. So I'm gonna get with John, like I said, see what turbo he think or feel best with what I'm about to do, because I'm about to turn it up. I'm about to switch over to E85. It's a whole lot of stuff about to get done. And I already told him I want to make my where is it? I lost it. Where is it? Oh, right here. I want to make the fender exit a 4-inch. I want to upgrade, so we might do that later in the series, but for the remainder of the year, I'm gonna keep it a 3-inch. But that's gonna be coming. And a lot more, man. So I'm gonna be going up to Chaotic Speed. Make sure y'all check them out. They're one of the channel sponsors. They do LS installs, amazing work. They great people, man. They got a dyno. I'm gonna be getting on their dyno soon. That's where y'all gonna see that video done at Chaotic Speed. The information is on every video on my J Malcolm 2004 channel. So that's why I say it's a lot in store. That's why I want to take the time and pull all this stuff out and show y'all the actual construction, because next time you see it, it won't be no video like this. It'll be going on the car, showing y'all the install and literally how quick it is. Me and Joe Buddy will be doing it. So, then I begin with Paul. My buddy Paul is the owner of the Rusty Nova. He'll be the one installing the CO2 kit in the boost controller. I'll be working with him to do that. So, y'all gonna be seeing Paul on the vlog soon too. Y'all, people love the Rusty Nova, that car. You know, that's my buddy. We've been knowing each other a long time, so he gonna be doing the install. He know his stuff. So I'm showing everybody love. Then we begin with my converter person. So y'all who does the converters, who I'm partnering with, trust me, you gonna want to use him before he just gets too out there. You gonna want to use him. So all that on the way, man. I appreciate y'all that been watching and showing love, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'm out.